citizens, welcome to Crazy Town. I am your Mayor, Minister Danielle K. Anderson. Here we talk about spirituality, self-improvement, silliness, and stuff I like. In this video, we are continuing our exploration into Cartomancy with the Six of Diamonds. In this system, the Six of Diamonds is called the Payer. Now, this card is multifaceted, but generally, it represents financial responsibility. This could mean paying off debts, handling investments, or creating a new budget or business plan. Also, if people owe you money, you may be able to see some of that come back to you pretty soon. And finally, because sixes are what I call open road cards, this could represent having to use a good amount of money for travel-related expenses, for instance, taking a trip or repairing a vehicle. That does it for the Six of Diamonds. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. And hey, if you happen to be interested in fun ways to make money, save money, and even get free stuff, check out these OG videos here. They are a few years old, but the information is still pretty accurate. Otherwise, you can text me your name and the state you live in the US. To the number that is in the description, and I will be able to let you in on something amazing that I'm only sharing with a limited number of people for now. So don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more. I'll see you next time in the cards.